Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, yes. Yeah, right. It's been like 2 years since I've been on this channel. Okay, so let's just get back to it. So first, let me just say this right here is not the move. This right here, okay, boom, bam, glamorous. Yeah, I did that. But yeah. Alright, so first what we're gonna do, let me just show you guys these brows. A mess. And yes, I have a freaking pimple. Oh my god, I don't know why, I don't know how, but it happened. But anyways, let's go ahead and pull our hair back and let's get to moisturizing this face. So first I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r primer. Then I'm going to go in with my Hard Candy Blur primer. I freaking love that stuff. Oh my god. Next, I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Prime by FaceStudio. And I'm just going to rub that and mix all that together. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my primer with my Hard Candy Translucent Powder. I'm going to actually mix mine with a little bit of my brown powder. Just because I've actually, I feel like the white powder actually makes me look, dead, deceased, done. So, yeah, I like just, it gives it more of a natural look for me. I don't know. Just me. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Colors Brow Gel and just spruce these brows up just a little bit. Boom, bam, lock, style. Next, I'm just going to go in with a black powder, just any old black powder. I just got some out of my eyeshadow palette and just went over my brows. I didn't want to fill in too much because I wanted to go for something really simple, really natural. So now we're going to go in with the P.Louise Bases. I'm actually going to use Rumour number 7 at the top and Rumour 0.5 at the bottom. Oh, look at that brow. Oh, look at that brow. I'm tearing up, guys. I'm tearing up. So now we're going to go to the top and we're going to use Rumour number 7. That right there is a brow. Alright, so now I'm actually going to go back in with my P.Louise Base Rumour number 7. And I'm actually going to just put that on my lids and kind of blend it in with the 0.5 Rumour. I'm actually going to do something a little different. I'm actually going to go in with my Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in the color Java. I'm going to actually blend that in just on the outer corners. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just go to town. So you want to just give it like a good Nate Robinson on the left and a good Conor McGregor on the right. Next, I'm going to go in with my RubyKisses mineral powder in the color Chestnut. Next, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara and just go over my top lashes just to spruce those things up. Look at them coming alive. Alright, so to apply my lashes, I'm actually going to use my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive in the color Clear. Well, you can clearly see that, but yeah. So I ended up having to do my lashes off camera because they started acting up for some strange reason. But yeah, anyways, boom, it's time. It's time. Oh, it's time. It's time. It's time. Oh, it's time. It's time for us to do this contour. So I'm going to take this brush with my Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in Java and just go around my face. Alright, so now that we have that all blended out, next we're going to take our e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the color Rich Cocoa, and we're actually going to put that under our eyes and just right along our nose. Next, I'm going to actually go back in with my Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in the color Java and just put that along my Cupid's bow, underneath my bottom lip, and right along my nose to do my contour. Alright, and that is that. Now we're actually going to move on. I'm so silly. Now we're going to move on to our foundation, and we're going to use the NARS All Day Weightless Foundation in the color Dark 4. And yeah, just go over our face, blending it with our concealer and also blending it with our contour. Next, I'm going to go back in with my Hard Candy Translucent Powder and just use that to set my face. Next, I'm going to go in with my IT Cosmetics Poreless Finish Blush in the color Love and just go over my cheeks. Next, just to go back over my contour, I'm going to use my Maybelline Super Stay Powder Foundation in the color Java. Then I'm just going to make sure I blend all of that together with my RubyKisses Mineral Powder in the color Chestnut. Next, I just used some chapstick just to moisturize my lips. I don't remember where I got my highlighter from, but in my defense, I've had it for over, I want to say 3 years now. So I can't remember which side I bought it off of. And we're just going to go back in with our same highlighter and just go over our cheeks. I wanted to do it light because this is really, really bright, and just a little goes a long way with this though. Next, just to clean up my highlight, I'm going to do my mineral powder. Next, I'm just going to go back in with my mascara and do my bottom lashes. Now, just to take that chapstick off, and we're going to go in with our Maybelline Unstoppable Liner in Espresso. Next, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. matte lip color in the color Natural and just go over my bottom lip. Next, I'm going to use my Hard Candy Plumping Serum and just go over my lips. And the last step is to set my face using my Nicka K Perfection Matte Finishing Spray. And now we just take our fan and we slay, baby. Boom. Look at that. Look at her. She is giving life, serving face. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and be on the lookout for more. Subscribe to my channel.